rice, you can serve it with anything you want, and you can have dipping sauce, which I can make. But unfortunately, we're not making any of that today. But this is what it looks like. There you go. Bon appetit. Hey, don't forget, subscribe so more content can be made and provide you with delicious meals. I know you see my feet. Okay, whoops. There we go. Better than. Oh, okay. So, cooking some chicken tenderloins, I use a cast iron. I season it with thyme, garlic, rosemary, seaweed, pink pepper flakes, black pepper, and also use olive oil. Okay. We're going to be having this with, I don't want to mention the name, chicken brown. Cheddar broccoli base. Yeah. Now, this can be served with rice. What I'm going to be is broccoli and cheddar broccoli bake. Looks like it has panko breadcrumbs in there as well. See how that tastes. That's frozen. I'm making that in the air fryer. But I cooked the chicken. This is chicken tenderloin. I guess cage free. Yeah. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 of them in there. Not bad. I rinsed them off. I seasoned them, pre-seasoned them in a plate with some Himalaya pink salt, seaweed, rosemary. I use thyme leaves, I use garlic powder, and I use black pepper, and then some onion powder. You don't want to over season it. It depends how you want it. I sprinkle some more rosemary on top. So this is how it looks. Not bad. And you turn it and you use it olive oil in a cast iron, and that's about it. And I went my chef outfit today. Because this stuff is really kind of messy to make. But anybody can make this. This is very simple. Use a season. I used to make baked fried chicken. So baked fried chicken is you cook the chicken on the stove and you bake the rest. And you use special kind of sauce in there. I might bake that. I used to do that with chicken thighs. These are easy to make meals on the go. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to spend a lot of money, and you don't want to, you want something that tastes good. Okay? Alright. Don't forget to subscribe and support. You're subscribing for more content and also supporting my efforts to bring you more of these delicious recipes. Okay? Hey, take care.